Fourth graders, this week you learned a new note. You learned A at the end of class, and I told you your job was to practice C and A. You could look at Hey, Hey, Look at Me or some of the other books, the other pieces in your book. So you got your fourth grade booklet this week. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a couple of them with you. First, some of the exercises to practice. So to start with C, the first one we have is C3PO. To go through C3PO, it is in meter of 3, which we've been talking about, where the strong beat is on beat 1. Now, if you look at the second measure, notice there is only one note in that second measure. It's going to take the whole measure, 3 beats. We're going to talk about that next week, so I will know who has been watching my videos because you're going to know the answer when I say, how can we make this note longer? You can say, oh, we add a dot, and that's going to make it take up 3 beats. All right, so when you get here, that's just going to be a 3-beat long sound. So to read the rhythm here, it would go ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, 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 tu, ta, ta. And if you play that on your recorder with me, it'll be the same thing. You're going to make sure that your left hand goes on top. Your left hand is over here. We start with thumb first and second, and then you point your pointer finger at me and say, C, Miss Turner, and that makes it C. So remember that I'm opposite with my left hand, so I start with thumb 1, 2, and I point my finger up and say, C, Miss Turner. So if you're looking at C3PO, you can play it with me. 1, 2, 3, here we go. The A3PO is actually the same exact rhythm. So if you look past the exercise to the next page where it says A3PO, it's the same rhythm, but on A. So if you're going to play it on A, C looks like this. So you're using your left hand as the one over here. C is here. You put that pointer finger back down to cover the first hold. This is A. So remember, I'm opposite. So we'll do A3PO together. It's the same thing. Remember, gentle flicker candle air, more fingers means even less, more focused air. 1, ready, go. Now to further this, I gave you some exercises to really help you focus on sound and notes, not have to worry about the rhythm. But CA waltz is again the same rhythm. The difference is now it switches between C and A. So if you start right here, you've got C, 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 A, C, 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 A, C, 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 A, C, C, A. So you're going to try that one with me. When the note heads are up, that's C, and your pointer finger's up. And when the note heads down, in the second space, it's A, and your pointer finger goes down. So an easy way to tell the difference is you point up when the note's higher, and you put your finger down when it's lower. Play it CA waltz with me. 1, 2, 3, here we go. And those are some of the exercises before your white belt that you can do. There are also C exercise and A exercise. Anytime you have a new note, that exercise is there. So uses whole notes first. We're back in 4 for this one. So ta, ta, tu, tu, ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 ti, 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 ta. And then you play that on C. A exercise down here, same rhythm, different note. So let's go ahead and do it with the C first. We are in 4, so I'm going to give you a 1, 2, ready, go. Your left hand on top. Start with thumb 1 and 2. Point your finger up for C. C exercise. 1, 2, ready, go. and that's C exercise. So if you look down at A exercise, same thing, but now you're going to have thumb 1 and 2 covering those first 3 holes. A exercise, 1, 2, here we go. These are some of the really good practice videos to get you started with C and A. The next video will have specifically your white belt.